Hello and welcome to Znode. Today we're going to show how businesses are using Znode for e-commerce personalization. Now, the term personalization can attribute many different factors in e-commerce, from the personalized site search experience based on the search profile assigned to an account or user profile segment, the content displayed to personalize the buying experience, managing contract rules by showing personalized product assortments, product recommendations, and account-based pricing, and a tailored checkout process with unique shipping, payment, and tax rules. So how is this managed in Znode? In Znode's administrative console, personalization can be managed for buyers within an account or user profile segment. When going into the general settings for CNF contractors, account-based catalogs can be associated. Permissions can be applied for order approval. Account-based pricing lists can be assigned. And then at a user level, order limits can be assigned on a per order or annual basis. Another area personalization can be done is under the marketing module with site search. Site search profiles can be personalized to determine products and content shown, products prioritized, and much, much more. Finally, content can be personalized to the buyer logging in. When looking back to the messaging upon login, a content container displayed a 20% off coupon for the CNF contractor's buyer logged in. Content containers allow marketers to create unstructured content in the e-commerce platform and apply it anywhere. We hope this helps you understand how businesses are using Znode for e-commerce personalization. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below with any questions.